Welcome to the Sakha channel, and today we're diving into how Sakha is building the future of technology by focusing on one of the most powerful forces behind innovation, our people. At Sakha, we've always believed that our teams are our greatest asset, and our long-term success depends on how we invest in and empower them today.
At Sakha, we understand that the strength of our team is key to future success. Our commitment to innovation starts with hiring the right people. Those who are not only technically skilled but passionate, curious, and adaptable. We believe that a growth mindset is essential to navigate the rapidly evolving tech landscape. Once our teams are in place, we invest in their continuous development. Through a robust culture of research, training, and hands-on projects, we ensure our people stay ahead of the curve. Innovation Workshop further encourages creativity and collaboration, where diverse perspectives spark transformative ideas. We also prioritize leadership development, fostering a supportive environment where strong leadership can guide teams through complex projects. Above all, our culture of trust and collaboration allows every team member's voice to be heard, empowering them to bring their best ideas forward.
Building a future-ready team starts with hiring individuals who not only have strong technical abilities, but also bring curiosity, creativity, and a passion for solving complex problems. We know that the future is unpredictable, so we focus on adaptability and a growth mindset to ensure our teams can pivot and thrive in an ever-changing tech landscape. Our hiring philosophy isn't just about resumes, it's about potential, problem-solving drive, and the energy to take on the challenges that lie ahead in the world of technology. Once those talented individuals are on board, we shift our focus to continuous learning and development, which we believe is non-negotiable in a fast-moving industry. At Sakha, we've built a culture of research and training, where learning is woven into daily work through hands-on projects, internal seminars, and dynamic online courses. Rather than rely solely on external education, we foster an internal learning ecosystem that encourages exploration, experimentation, and innovation from within. But we know training alone doesn't spark true innovation. It also takes space, support, and intentional creativity, which is where our innovation workshops come in. These workshops bring together diverse minds across the company to brainstorm, prototype, and explore unconventional solutions that push business and technology boundaries. Through structured collaboration, such as design thinking sessions, we create a playground for big ideas that can lead to real transformation for our clients and industries. Beyond technical excellence, we're equally committed to leadership development, ensuring every team member, from junior to senior, can guide, inspire, and make strategic decisions. Our leadership programs focus on mentorship, empowerment, and vision building, which are crucial for delivering excellence across complex, high-impact projects. Underpinning all of this is our company culture, one built on trust, inclusivity, and collaboration, because we know innovation thrives when diverse perspectives come together with mutual respect. If you're inspired by our approach and want to be part of shaping the future with a team that truly invests in its people, don't hesitate to reach out to Sakha.
At Sakha, we specialize in delivering customized software solutions that align perfectly with your business goals. With over 20 years of expertise in AI, IoT, blockchain, and more, we craft flexible, scalable systems that adapt as you grow. Whether you are looking to streamline operations, enhance customer experiences, or drive innovation, Sakha is here to make it happen. Don't settle for off-the-shelf solutions. Partner with us to build something truly unique. Get in touch with Sakha today and let's bring your vision to life with technology that fits your business.
We are always looking for those ready to make an impact, because at Sakha, we're not just building technology, we're building the future, one visionary team at a time.